I am Sharif Gul. I am from Pakistan. I am a master's student here. And my major is crop cultivation and farming system. I choose Southwest University because of the great Yuan Longping, because Yuan Longping was also studied here and he was called the father of hybrid rice. My research direction is on ratoon rice. We are using more advanced technology to grow some hybrid ratoon rice for drought resistance varieties. This is very important for food security. China has more advanced technology and I learned here a lot, like in the agriculture sector, and we want to improve our agriculture sector in Pakistan as well. So we are keen to learn from Chinese expertise, from Chinese experience. I would like to play a role as a bridge between Pakistan and China and collaborate the agriculture sector.
沙尔夫是有一颗赤子之心，他当时就跟我说，他一定要努力学习，然后学成之后能够回到他的国家，发展他的国家的一个农业事业，为他们的国家做出自己的贡献。